What if I told you that the secret to achieving your biggest, most ambitious goals isn't about working harder, longer, or even smarter? It's about doing almost nothing at all. Sounds crazy, right? But stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal a simple yet profoundly powerful concept that will completely change how you approach personal development. If you've ever felt overwhelmed, burnt out, or just stuck, this video is for you. Today we're diving into a principle that, once mastered, can unlock truly remarkable progress in every area of your life. We're talking about the 1% rule. It's not just a productivity hack, it's a philosophy for consistent, sustainable growth that virtually guarantees success over time. Now, when most people think about self-improvement, they think go big or go home. They set massive goals, try to overhaul their entire routine overnight, and inevitably, they burn out. Sound familiar? The 1% rule flips that on its head. It argues that instead of aiming for revolutionary change, you should strive for tiny, almost imperceptible improvements consistently. But here's the fascinating part. These tiny changes don't just add up linearly, they compound. And if you understand how compounding works, you'll see why this is a game changer. Think about it like this. If you improve by just 1% every single day for a year, you don't just get 365% better. Mathematically, you actually become 37 times better. Conversely, if you get 1% worse each day, you'll dwindle down to almost nothing. Most people are completely unaware of this exponential power, and they miss out on truly incredible growth because they're always chasing the big win. What if I told you the biggest win is actually found in the smallest daily actions? So, how do you actually apply this? Identify one small area. Don't try to tackle everything. Pick one habit, one skill, one area of your life where you want to see improvement. Define your 1%. What does a 1% improvement look like for that area? Is it reading one extra page, doing one more push-up, meditating for 1 minute longer, making one healthier food choice? Keep it tiny. Consistency is key. This isn't about perfection, it's about showing up. Even if you miss a day, get back on track the next. The power is in the daily commitment. Let's look at some examples. Want to read more? Read just one extra page of a book each day. In a year, that's an entire extra book. Want to get fitter? Do one extra push-up or hold a plank for 10 more seconds each day. Want to learn a new skill? Dedicate 5 minutes to practicing it every single day. Want to be more mindful? Add 60 seconds to your daily meditation. These aren't daunting tasks. They don't require massive willpower. Yet, their cumulative effect is nothing short of extraordinary. But there's a crucial mistake people make that sabotages this entire process. Do you know what it is? The biggest mistake? Underestimating the power of the small stuff. We crave instant gratification. We want to see big results immediately. When those don't appear, we give up. The 1% rule requires patience and trust in the process. You won't feel 1% better tomorrow, but you'll certainly feel it in 3 months, 6 months, and especially a year from now. Most people never get past that initial resistance to smallness, and that's why they fail where you can succeed. So remember, forget the overwhelming leaps, focus on the incremental steps, embrace the power of compounding, be consistent even when it feels insignificant, and most importantly, trust the process. The results will come quietly and powerfully. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one area in your life where you're going to apply the 1% rule starting today? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe to PeakLyfe for more strategies to unlock your full potential. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Until next time, keep striving for your peak life.